Goodbye. Bye. Bye for now. See you. See you soon. See you later. Talk to you later. Catch up with you later. I hope to see you soon. See you next time. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. It was nice meeting you. It's been really nice knowing you. It's been a pleasure. We'll speak soon. It was really great to see you. Catch you later. All the best. Bye. Take care. Stay in touch. I'm really going to miss you. I've got to go now. I'm terribly sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. Can you forgive me? I apologize for... Please forgive me. I owe you an apology. You can blame me for this. How should I apologize to you? I beg your pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry I'm late. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Forget it. No problem. Never mind, it doesn't really matter. No big thing. It's not your fault. Please don't blame yourself. Think nothing of it. Hello, my name is... Hi, I'm... Nice to meet you. I'm... Pleased to meet you. I'm... It's a pleasure to see you. I'm... May I introduce myself? I'm... How do you do? My name is... Let me introduce myself. I'm... I'd like to introduce myself. I'm... John, I'd like to introduce you to Mary. John, please meet Mary. John, I'd like you to meet Mary. John, have you met Mary? John, let me introduce you to Mary. John, this is Mary. Mary, this is John. Nice to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Glad to meet you. How do you do? What time is it? What's the time? Could you tell me the time? Do you know what time it is? How long have you been waiting? Do you have free time this afternoon? What time can we meet? What should we do to kill time? It's 10 o'clock. It's midnight. It's 6 a.m. now. See you at 8 p.m. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. It's too late now. My watch is stopped. My watch is slow. Don't waste your time doing nothing. I didn't think it was so late. We have plenty of time. Give me a little more time. It's time to leave. It's almost time to go home. Time went by so fast. Can you speak English? How long have you been learning English? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you please say that again? Could you please repeat that? Would you mind spelling that for me? How do you pronounce this word? What do you mean by this? I'm sorry, what do you mean? What is this thing called in English? How many languages can you speak? I speak a little English. I can speak English very well. Your English is excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. Please speak slowly. Please repeat what you said. I'm afraid to speak English. Sorry, my English is not quite good. How often do you speak English?